Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new here, welcome back. My name is Toby, and in today's video we are going to be doing a color blend which was requested by Keshara. I hope I pronounced that right. I posted a color silver and black blend. I'll leave the link in the description box if you would love to check it out. And she requested that we do either color 613 silver and black or color silver, black and 350. So I just decided to do color 613 silver and black, silver, black and 350, and silver, black, 350 and 613 for this video. So that's like a 3-in-1 kind of video. I know this is quite different, but let me know in the comment section if you like this type of videos where I blend different colors in one video, and I'll be sure to do them. So I also have a color 350 and 613 blend on my channel already, and I also link that in the description box if you would love to see it. Getting into the blending process, I decided to do some custom ombre for this blend. So I made one color, the color silver, shorter than the other colors, and that will give me an ombre effect. If you don't know what ombre means, it basically means having a pattern in which colors or tone fade into one another, and I hope that explains it. So I'm going to be doing the ombre effect for all the blends I am doing, and at the end of this video I'll be showing you what all three colors look like when braided. Another thing I would love to say is there's really no perfect way to blend. It just depends on what look you are going for. I personally do not like to see each colors I use in the blend standing out. So I love to blend completely till all the colors are lost in one another. And in my own opinion, I feel like that makes it look less tacky and it looks very unique and different. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you'll be informed when next I post a new video. And also I have a whole lot of blend videos on my channel already. I'll link it at the end of this video so you can go check them out. If you have any questions or video requests, please drop them in the comment section below or message me on Instagram. My handle will be on the screen, and I'll also link it in the description box below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.